Hi, this is the new Hamilton Beach 2-slice brushed stainless steel toaster. It is nice because it has the extra wide slots that can fit all kinds of bread, but it also, if the bread's small and it gets caught, you can lift it up and put it in there. And you can adjust your levels. It has a bagel button and you can cancel there if you need to. But the neat feature about this stainless steel toaster is the crumb tray. A great little feature to keep your toaster nice and clean, and it automatically shuts off even when things are in it and get stuck. So we can put our bagels in there. Hit down. We're gonna hit the bagel button. And it's just simple as that. Then if I want to stop, I can just hit this cancel button and bring it on up.